So that really just started my love for wanting to work in the social impact space, specifically within a youth lens, because as I mentioned, I think if I hadn't gone to my high school, I don't think I would have made it to college. And it was really just because I had a lot of great support from the educators in that space, the counselors, my teachers. And growing up, there weren't really a lot of youth empowerment opportunities that I was aware of, at least. And so it wasn't until I left my community and moved down to San Diego where I actually learned a lot of programming for LA youth that I was like, well, if I had known that, I would have participated. Like, how come I wasn't aware? And so that was one of the huge inspirations for me working in youth empowerment, was making sure that not only could we have these programs for youth to, develop their voice, gain skills, understand their interests, explore their interests, gain, some skills for the future and for now as well. Um, and to then serve that for them moving forward. So, like these are skills that follow you for a lifetime.